This is a short demonstration video of the Express Order function that's been added to the website. So Express Order can be found here on the home page, and it's been designed mainly for customers who'd be familiar with our product codes and naming convention on the website. The idea behind it is that rather than having to navigate to a relevant product page, you can just simply add a product code here, or you can use a CSV file and upload a list of products here. So if we look first at type in a code manually, so you can select standard fixed files code, and it will bring down a drop down list that you can select from. And when you click in the quantity box, it will automatically enter the minimum pack size that you can order. So in this case it's 100. We can up this to say 500, and then you can again type in the next code. It will also go by names, so if we go for butyl strip sealant, you can see here, you can select it from the list of drop down. The colour box is only relevant to items like lacquered, moulded fasteners and colour cups, those sort of products. So if we add one here, and you can select from a list of colours here. Once you've created a list of products that you want to add to your cart, you can just simply press this add to cart button, and it will add products to any other items already in your cart, and then you can go through the checkout as usual. It's worth remembering that the products aren't saved in your Express Order list, so if you click somewhere else on the website and then come back to the Express Order, the products won't still be there. So let's have a look at adding products via the CSV file. As it says here, it must be code, quantity and colour columns, and for it to be in CSV format to work. And we've got a download sample file here to assist with that. So if we click on this, bring that up, you can see when it comes up it's got the code, colour and quantity boxes. It's also added a couple of products here for reference, but we can just quickly delete them out. So I've got a sample order here which could have come from a system that's put it into Excel, and we can just simply copy the codes across, like so, and do the same for colour and quantity. And once you've completed your list, you can go back to Express Order, choose your file and select it, and this will bring up the list of products that you've entered. You can see here that there's one product I'd actually deliberately put in wrong, so the SFRS 6.3/175, so we can go back, and it's a 6.1/175, so enter it like that, and that error message disappears, and then you can enter it in the same way to your cart.